What's up, it's QueenSit, and if you've been following my journey, we took a road trip to Babes Ride Out. We started in St. Louis, we went to Pittsburgh, and we ended in New York City. And in the last video, we went to New Jersey. So there are 4 parts of this series, and this is the last one. So if you haven't stayed tuned, go back, check them out, and come back to this video. In this video, I'm going to continue my journey from New Jersey, and we're going to continue on. So let's see where the road glide takes us. It's QueenSit, let's go. Look at the backrest. I've been leaning back. That's my. So after I left New Jersey, I headed to Philly to check out the city and check out some of that good food. I don't think this is what they meant when it says bike parking. Or maybe they did. So when I got to the hotel, the guys told me that I could park my bike in the bike rack. I thought that was crazy, but I actually liked it. All right, super cute. Already. I got all my things. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at the view. I love it here. This place is so nice. All right, I got a veggie cheesesteak and a salad, and I'm in for the night. Let's go. All right, Philadelphia, what's good? Woo! I am at the pier. Going to eat at Morgan's Pier. Super beautiful down here. Yeah, it's pretty dope. All right, let's see what it's talking about. All right, what's up, YouTube? We are here at Morgan's Pier. They got some frozen drinks. I just rode the road glide. We finna chill out. We got the fan. Finna relax a little bit, find something to eat, and it's super dope. Love it here. All right, and I'm gonna sit here. I got a little bar over there and watch my bike. All right, y'all, I got my food. It looks amazing. The fries are amazing. Everything's amazing. Whoop, my room's right off the elevator. Oh. Oh. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, we're here. Boom. I am downtown Washington, D.C. My first night here. I just caught a scooter. So much fun. And now I'm gonna find a place to eat, hang out, enjoy the view, and I'm so excited. Whoa, that's so dope. My first time. Wow. Dang. This is crazy. I'm so excited. I've been running around for an hour. It gotta be an hour. I'm lost. Siri thinks I'm in a car, so it's not giving me the. It's telling me to get on the highway, and I can't. Oh no, that's a car. Oh, hold on. We got the VIP out here in Washington D.C. Quit playing. Thank you. Zang, okay. Yes, sir. Y'all, I didn't caught the Uber 1 minute away. Sorry.
Where you from? Yeah?
St. Louis.
Oh, okay.
I ride motorcycles, so I rode out here on my bike. So I'm all turned around. Shout out to my Uber. Jeez, y'all. I thought I was farther than I was. The hotel is just right here. I literally caught the Uber from right there. Wow. I just visited the White House. I'm gonna go back so I can get a little video. Crazy. Last night I rode around here on a little scooter. It was so much fun. Washington, D.C. is such a vibe here. I had so much fun last night. The people are nice. Hey, it's such a vibe. Everyone's so nice here. One thing I love about Washington, D.C. is that everyone is so calm. The traffic is so calm. Nobody's in a rush. I can just cruise around and have fun in the city. Down here at breakfast. Yo. Just got some Postmates to my hotel, the Hyatt Place. Let's go. Okay, I just got Mason's famous lobster rolls. Let's see what it looks like. It's very small. I didn't expect it to be this small, so already I'm rating it a little lower. This was $18 just for that, or $16 or something. That's not worth it. So already no. And I'm supposed to have crab meat on top of this, so unless it went to the bottom, it's still a no. What's up, y'all? I'm at the Hyatt Place. I want to give a shout out to Shorty for looking out for your girl. I pulled up. He had all the answers for me. Told me places to go, things to see. And my bike's down there, and he's out here chilling. So shout out to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. It's been a great trip, y'all. I'm heading out tomorrow. See y'all next time. Bye. Alright, y'all, I just made it to Columbus, Ohio. I'm headed out in the morning. I'm tired. My back hurts. It's rained on me the entire ride, but we made it, alright? So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Let's go. So it's really hot. I'm in Indiana somewhere. I had to pull over and lay down on my bike. I literally kicked my feet up and took like a nap because it's too hot. I thought the cicadas were cute for 1 second, and then they smacked me in my helmet. Ew. And they got bug juice all over me. I'm ready to go home.
Flash on so she know it, she know it, she know it, she know it. I'm so big it'll roll it. Jumping my whip to a donut. Come behind me, I was. They can't stop.
We made it, baby. Let's go.
Stopped me.
St. Louis to New York to Washington, D.C. Back to St. Louis. Let's go.